Come back on a conversation on artificial intelligence and business associated to it. Today, here on our channel, we had the privilege of interviewing Jim Schreitmuller. So he is a Silicon Valley veteran who has jumped from one startup to another with a lot of successful babies. And we talked about his last baby, a company by the name of Reveel. That sounds like revelation. So what is Reveel about and what we talked with Jim? Basically, 3 points to remember. And if you want to know more, if you want to watch the entire interview, all you need to do is to click on the link and subscribe to our channel. We will release the video and you'll be one of the first to be able to watch it. So let's see what we really discussed. First point is what Reveel does. And let me tell you, it's something very, very interesting. So have you ever seen or watched a movie on Amazon? If you did that, then you know that every time that you're watching a scene, you can basically go and tap on the screen and find out more information about the actors that are playing on the screen. And then, you can surf a little bit more and find out how many movies they have played. So Reveel is extending that concept for a variety of other medias. So for example, if you're watching a video and you want to know what clothing people are wearing, if you want to know what glasses they're wearing, you just put your iPhone or your phone, whatever it is, in front of the video, and boom, in a second, without installing any app, you can find out more information about the glasses or any type of product that you really see on the video. But it's not confined only on the video. It can work with printed media, with billboards, with web pages, and so forth. And so, of course, in the end, the goal is for you to go on another web page and buy something. But it's not only that, because you can have coupons, you can have information on where to go and where to buy, and so on and so forth. So that was the core of the service. Another very, very interesting thing for the technologist is that this company is one of the first is working at the interface of artificial intelligence and blockchain. So remember Bitcoin? You remember when we always and lost a lot of money investing in Bitcoin? Yes. So the blockchain is the technology underlying the crypto world. And in this case, it's used to create a service that allows a lot of other artificial intelligence companies basically to train their model at a much, much more lower cost. So basically, it's a form of democratization of R&D in a way such that all the people that have complex projects and they're working on, for example, applying artificial intelligence in very, very specific niche, like, like agriculture or document for certain type of law and so on and so forth. And they have a need to perform training at a very large scale. They can do it in this platform at a much, much more reduced cost, and it has to supply some data. So that's the other unique angle about this company. The third thing that we discussed is where the future is going. This was also very interesting. And basically the idea that came up of the discussion was that it is very likely that in the future we will have mobile phones where basically the camera will have this type of technology integrated in the OS system. Now, for the non-technologists, what that means is basically you do not have to download apps to do something. You do not have to download 5 or 6 apps to do one action at a time. But it's going to be the phone itself that will call the right app every time that you point your phone towards an image. And every time that you point the phone in front of an image, you're going to get something. You're going to get some information. Either it's going to be, like some directional information. It's going to be some information about the product. It could be some direction about the history or whatever. But it's basically the phone becomes intelligent enough to select itself which app or technology to utilize. And you do not have to do anything. You don't need to, know about the app. You do not have to go and download it. So this was a very interesting conversation, a conversation with a Silicon Valley serial entrepreneur. If you want to see and watch all of it, just subscribe on the channel and you'll be able to do so. In any case, thank you so much for watching and see you at the next time.